Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products. And the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Dr. James Probiotics Whitening Milk. Dr. James Probiotics Whitening Milk contains cow milk extracts that helps to restore youthfulness to the skin. This whitening cream also contains natural organic herbal extracts with proteins and triglycerides that are easily absorbed by the skin, resulting in a natural moisturizing effect. It is enriched with AHA and other natural agents that are effective in protecting the skin from the effect of ultraviolet sun rays. It also reduces and prevents the appearance of dark spots and freckles. It retains moisture and accelerates the absorption of moisture into the skin, which helps to prevent dryness and microbial infection. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.